Hello, what is up, YouTube? I had a minor problem that turned out to not be a problem. I just had a very blonde moment and probably missed the tutorial somewhere because I, like many of you, do not actually read those. I had some lock screens that I wanted to get rid of on my iPhone and my iPad, and I could not figure out how to. So, for an embarrassingly long time, I just had a pile of lock screens that I couldn't delete. Well, I figured out how to delete them, and it is extremely simple. You just go to your lock screen, you long press on it to bring up that little edit menu. That is also surprisingly easy to edit your lock screens on. And if you want to delete it, you just swipe up and then press the little trash can. It is that simple. It is that simple on the iPhone. It is also that simple on the iPad. Well, I hope I saved y'all some time because it took me an embarrassingly long time to figure this out. Probably missed a tutorial, like I said, and that's what happens when you do not read the instruction manual. Well, have a good day, y'all. Later.